Hello everyone, I'm Rishu. This is day 22 of my 30 days English speaking challenge. Today I want to talk about self-confidence. Self-confidence is very important in our lives. It helps us face challenges and improve our goals. When we believe in ourselves, we are more likely to take action. We will not be perfect, but we can still make a progress. I am learning English, but sometimes I make a mistake, but I do not let those mistakes stop me. I believe that with practice and confidence, I can improve every day. Remember, confidence does not mean being perfect. It means believe in yourself, even when things are difficult. So trust yourself and keep moving forward. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video.